Wow, it is going to be totally over for Terra Classic if Terra Classic keep on dropping. Terra Classic, I believe that if this coin dropped and is ranked the top 150 or the top 180 crypto coins with the highest market cap, by then you might be seeing the market cap of about $50 to $100 million market cap. Right now, they still have a market cap of about over $450 million, and they are ranked number 103. As of yesterday, they were ranked number 102. As of 2 days ago, they were ranked number 100, and as of 3 or 4 days ago, they were still ranked among the top 90 plus. You see, it looks as if every 1 or 2 days they keep dropping down. And if this continues, Terra Classic drops below 150, or let's assume 150 to 200 crypto coins with the highest market cap, this is going to be the stamp of what final. This is going to be the final whistle, just like in football. I believe, yes, it is going to be over because their market cap cannot push that market force again. The market cap they will have been by then cannot burn the kind of coins that have been burning in the past few months. The market cap that we have it by then, even Binance on its own cannot destroy more Terra Classic coin they have been destroying. So it is going to affect this coin, and for this coin to bounce back to where they were, it is going to be difficult. I remember Terra Classic market cap trading at $1.4 billion not quite long. And Terra Classic burning every week over 1.5 billion coins. But right now you can see more than 300% of the burning on the market cap have actually been lost. So it's not going to be easy, and this is definitely going to be a final over for Terra Classic. So right now it's at the stage of warning. Yes, it's at the stage of warning. So everyone needs to be very careful right now with Terra Classic. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.